We are at East Fork, San Gabriel River in California. This is a picture of how it looked before, and I'm gonna show you how it looks now. We have a very big problem. Trash. There's trash everywhere. Trash on the road, trash by the restrooms, trash even on the creeks. It's actually very disgusting. Now, who do we blame for this? The government? Angeles National Forest? The people? I don't know. At the beginning of the month, there was an article in Los Angeles Times that says this. In the description of the video, I'm going to leave a link so you can read the whole article. But instead of looking someone to blame or pointing fingers at, why don't we all take a different approach and do our own part? Bring a plastic bag with you. Take your trash with you. Don't leave anything behind. Lead by example. I was so glad I found this person. His name is Miguel, and he was doing his part.
Gracias. ¿Cómo se llama? Miguel. Muchísimas gracias por hacer eso. Porque estoy haciendo un video y a decirle a la gente que por favor junten su...
Now, if he can do it, I can do it. And if I can do it, we all can do it. Let's get to it. I spent a good time cleaning this place, but still there's a lot of work to do. I know nobody likes to do the dirty job, literally. But if you at least can bring a plastic bag with you and take your trash, that'll be a lot of help. And if the trash containers are full, just don't leave it on the side. Take it with you and dump it when you get home. Because if you leave it on the side, then the wildlife will come and try to open the bags and make a bigger mess. So if you go to any of the places that I show on my videos or anywhere in nature at all, I'm gonna ask you, I'm actually gonna beg you to please keep it clean. Pack it in, pack it out, leave it beautiful for all of us to enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. I'm going to ask you a favor. Please share this with your friends or whoever likes nature. Thank you.